Although we know very little about the history and way of life of the ancient Mayas, one thing we are sure about is their extraordinary knowledge of astronomy and their advanced use of mathematics. At Chichen Itza, one of the ruined capital cities of the Mayas, there's a huge stone pyramid with an altar at the top. Cut into the sides of the pyramid are 4 great stairways which reach the altar. Each staircase has 91 steps, a strange number until you realize that 4 times 91 is 364, which with the last altar step makes 365 steps for the 365 days of the year. The Mayas were fascinated by the calendar and the movement of the stars. They believed it influenced all the events in their lives. They chose the dates for planting their crops and harvesting the grain according to the position of the stars and the phases of the moon. One of the superb ruined buildings here at Chichen Itza is this ancient Mayan observatory. The astronomical observations they made here were far in advance of any equivalent European studies. Without telescopes or clocks or even an hourglass to help them, they managed to calculate the exact length of the lunar month, the solar year, and the cycle of the planet Venus so precisely that modern mathematicians with their electronic equipment find an error of a mere 12 seconds a day in their results. The observatory dome looks so like a modern observatory, the chamber precisely built to observe and calculate the angles of the stars. Inside the dome, a spiral staircase up to where 3 windows look out at the sun, the moon, and the planet Venus. The mathematical symbols of the Mayas are very simple. They used only 3 signs, dots, dashes, and a shell shape for 0. And with these, they would write down any large number very quickly. They counted in 20s, not in 10s as we do. All this inventive mathematical work was used almost entirely to date their careful observations of the movements of the stars. How strange it is to find this extraordinary ancient observatory here in the jungle, almost encircled by miles and miles of rainforest. Goodbye. Till next time.